Dubai is considered as one of the essential economic zones of the whole world. Due to the current crisis and the current lockdown due to COVID-19 as living residents in Dubai, then you might have to face some difficult financial situations, and it's been a lot harder for people to go to work on an office setup where they might be prone to getting sick. Sometimes, what you earn is not enough for you and your family. So you might want to make some extra income in Dubai besides your primary job. As the world's markets recover from the effects of COVID-19, recruiters said the gig economy was here to stay, offering job seekers temporary solutions to earn an income. The pandemic affected nearly all sectors and industries worldwide, causing many redundancies and pay cuts. Here are 7 legal ways UAE residents can earn a side income. These can be taken on by people job hunting or those with full-time jobs, provided they have approval from their employer. Before we deep dive into the topic, make sure to subscribe to Only Pay for more life-changing content. If you're thinking of starting a side hustle in Dubai, the best place to start is to think about the skills you already have and try to figure out how you can monetize them. As the examples below show, with a little bit of knowledge about digital technology, reading, and research, there is a side hustle for virtually everyone. Here are 7 examples of side hustles in Dubai. Freelancing. Being a freelance writer in Dubai is one of the most popular kinds of side hustle. If you have a decent knowledge of how to write engaging content, there is almost unlimited demand for your skills. Working as a freelance writer alongside your main job provides a highly flexible way of earning extra money. The side hustle involves providing writing services to all manner of clients, while also offering additional services such as editing and proofreading. Professionals in the media, marketing, social media, graphic design, copywriters, legal experts, or a range of other fields can get short-term gigs as a freelancer. Freelancing requires an annually renewed permit that starts from the 7,500 in Dubai. Freelance visas and permits with TCOM are some of the popular options. Nevin Lewis, chief executive of Black & Gray, a human resources company, is advising freelancers to properly calculate pay rates and speak to reputable agencies so they are protected. Professionals must be adaptive to see the significant upside opportunity with the rise of gig economy and part-time work, Mr. Nevin said. We must all contribute to the future of work, whether we like it or not. Freelancers can choose how many and which assignments they want to take on, or they can be hired on a short-term contract. To start a freelance writing side hustle in Dubai, there are several things you can do to begin getting your first piece of paid work, including pitching feature and opinion article ideas to newspapers and magazines, promoting your services on social media, contacting various companies directly and offering them your freelance writing services, joining side hustle websites like Upwork where you can apply for freelance writing gigs. 2. Take part in flea markets. Dubai Flea Market allows residents to sell old and unique items from their house. It takes place in different areas of the Emirate a few times each month and is open to the public. Those interested in selling can book a table for D305 and are likely to make a fast return on the money spent because these events get crowded quickly with people looking for great deals. A trade license or permit is not required. Muhammad Al-Hamwi, owner of the flea market, said people were allowed to sell only personal items rather than anything commercial. The flea market has been running in the UAE for 12 years and is very popular among people looking to sell their unused and old items, he said. 3. Rent out your villa or apartment. If you live in Dubai or Ras Al Khaimah, you can register with Dubai Tourism or RAK Tourism to legally rent out your home on Airbnb, a home renting mobile app. It is open to tenants and homeowners. A trade license from the economic department is required and prices vary between the 2 emirates. In Dubai, the annual cost is about 35,000 this. Price for the permit, renewed annually from Dubai Tourism, depends on how many bedrooms your apartment or villa has. Tenants are required to get approval from their landlords. The cost may seem pricey, but one Dubai resident who has turned this side gig into a full-time business said the money gets covered in no time. Sonia Minq 30 rents out her 1-bedroom apartment in Dubai Financial Center for 250 dis a night. She is renting the place for 70,000 annually until 2024. I used to be a real estate agent and was selling villas. The owners of these houses were asking me to help them rent their new homes, and I realized that this was a great way for an income, she said. I live in a villa and I rent out 2 bedrooms there as well. She says she earns 8,000 dirhams a month by renting out the apartment, earning her a profit of 26,000 dirhams. She also has a business where she rents out other people's holiday homes and earns a 5% commission on each property. With Dubai's winter tourism drive, this option is a solid choice for an extra source of income. 4. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a fantastic Dubai side hustle business idea. Similar to running a blog, you need to find a niche that you are passionate about and for which there is a suitably large market. You will also need to regularly produce videos on one topic or another. But once you start to get subscribers, you can then get 45% of YouTube's advertising revenue, while also generating income through affiliate marketing. You can earn on a number of subscriptions and views you get. You can record yourselves on the below topics such as doing daily vlogs, kitchen home recipe videos, famous celebrity gossips, latest tech release. If you want to learn more about YouTube income stream, comment down below. 5. Running digital ads for small businesses. There are thousands of small businesses in Dubai that need help with advertising. Many of these small companies have neither the time nor the skills to learn about how to create digital ads, then monitor them. And this is where you come in. Running digital ads on search platforms or on social media sites is often relatively straightforward, as long as you have a knowledge of how to use keywords to target your ads to the right kinds of customers. You can then provide an invaluable service to all kinds of small businesses. Running a side hustle managing digital ads for small businesses in Dubai will involve the following types of tasks. Market research to decide the best platform to run ads on. Choosing appropriate keywords, writing out copy, monitoring ad spend, demonstrating results. After initially setting ad campaigns up, the actual work involved in this Dubai side hustle is relatively simple. It will rarely require more than a couple of hours of work per week per customer. 6. Promotion jobs. Promotion jobs are offered by companies looking to promote their products in places such as shopping malls, supermarkets, and at events. They are popular with university students and those on a dependent visa because companies hiring for these roles offer temporary work permits. Depending on the hours and company, a promoter can earn between E3,000 and D15,000 a month. The role varies from handing out flyers, educating customers on the product, or distributing samples. If it is an event, responsibilities could include ushering, waitressing, or emceeing. It could be a day job, week-long role, or short-term contract. Salman Kaka, 23, has been in the promotions industry since he was 18. It's a very good way to make extra income and cover your daily expenses, said Mr. Kaka, who is studying for a master's degree in business administration. He's on a 6-month contract with Velocity Events Management, where he earns the $4,000 a month plus commission. They have provided him with a temporary work permit. Ms. Kaka said these opportunities help with networking and could lead to permanent positions. Opportunities in the promotions industry are advertised widely on social media, especially Facebook group pages, and on messaging apps such as WhatsApp. 7. Starting a blog. Blogs are one of the most popular ways of making money online. To start generating cash through an online blog in Dubai, you will need to have a decent-sized audience. You can then use several methods to monetize them, especially display ads and affiliate links. To set up your blog in Dubai, you first need to find a subject to write about. Choose a topic that you are passionate about in an area where you have expertise. It is then simply a case of regularly producing content that your audience wants to read. As your audience grows, you can then contact businesses who might wish to advertise through your website. Please comment down below which side hustle you will choose to work. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a video.